Escuderos, Lacson, Legarda, Pacquiao, Pangilinan, Pimentel, Poe, Recto, Trillanes, Villanueva, Villar, Zubiri, Sen, President Soto III.
21 affirmative votes, no negative votes, no abstention. House Bill 8580 is approved on third reading.
President, move to resume consideration House Bill number 8581 and proceed with the third reading.
Secretary will read the title of the measure. Roll call vote.
House Bill number 8581, an act establishing a regular